All right, next I'm going to be going over ad group performance. So you can see here what will be shown. So we're going to make sure the date is right again. Apply. So you just want to copy and paste this. Then you want to export this to Sheets. Paste that in there. Got it. Okay. So then you have your analysis here, and you can kind of make some interpretations of the data. So I would just go in here, data sort range, sort it by cost. Okay. And then you can grab this ad ID and say, let's see, person. These actually have amazing click-through rates. Really, really good click-through rates. And then some of these are kind of lagging. But you can say, just grab this ad ID and then go to the client's account, click on ads and extensions, and just look up this ad ID. Ad ID, paste the value in here. Just click on it so the client can see. This is a good one. Very high click-through rate, most expensive. This is what it looks like on mobile, so that's fine. I'm actually happy with that. I'll take that. And you can also just put the ad ID here. So most viewed ad. You can put some metrics in here like click 14% click-through rate, 14% click-through rate. You might want to edit the text and just say like analysis, apply. And you kind of just want to see some of these display stuff. They have a lot of impressions and a decent amount of cost, which isn't great. And this is just stuff you want to look into as you go through your own like process. Um, you could just say best performing, best, best performing. Okay. So that's basically how you do ad group performance is very helpful for you and also for the client.